Open Synchrony Bank account online. If you're looking to open a Synchrony Bank account online and you're not sure where to start, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign it up easily and quickly through their website. First up, open your web browser and go to mysynchrony.com. You can type that by writing mysynchrony.com. This is the official website where you can register for a Synchrony bank account. Just type in the URL and simply hit enter. Once you're on the website, look for the apply now or sign up button. This will usually be displayed prominently on the home page. Now, what you need to enter is simply enter your social security number and your date of birth. After you've done that, simply click on continue and you'll need to choose the type of account you want to open. Synchrony Bank offers several types of accounts including saving accounts, credit cards and more. Select the account type that best suits your needs. After you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. This will include your full name, address, and other required details. Make sure to enter this information carefully and accurately as it will be used to verify your identity. Now, you'll be asked to provide your contact information, including a valid email address and a phone number. This is where Synchrony Bank will reach you with any updates or account related information. Be sure to double check that everything is correct. Once your personal details are in, you'll need to create your login credentials. Just choose a username and strong password and make sure your password contains a mix of letters and numbers and symbols to ensure it's secure. And that's it. After you submitted all your information, it will take a few moments to review everything. If everything looks good, click the submit button and your account will be created.